Okay, ladies and gentlemen, this will be my unboxing video of my new trimmer. Let's see what's inside this new trimmer, which is named Darling Professional Hair Clipper. Doesn't have a model name. Let's look for a model number. Yeah, there it is. It's called model DL1311. And these are some components of inside. Pretty nice packaging. Let's open it. There are the products. A nice trimmer which have dragons in two sides, a oil can, a piece of cleaning brush, charging cable, and some clippers. Let's open this. This is 1.5 mm, another is 2 mm, and this is 4 mm, and this is 3 mm. There's nothing in the box, and there is also a piece of instructions manual how to assemble and take care of this trimmer. Only 2 pages. That's it. That's the end of our trimmer unboxing.